Every Dakota Cube comes with an anti-tip kit included. To install the kit, you'll need a stud finder and a screwdriver or drill. Start by finding a wall stud where your cube organizer will be placed. Install one bracket into the stud at 34 3/4 inch with the included long screw, with the open hole facing upwards. Next, place the cube organizer in place and mark the location where the second bracket will be installed into the top shelf. The bracket should be installed directly over the bracket on the wall. Move the cube organizer away from the wall and install the bracket with the open hole facing downwards. Place the cube organizer back into place and install the zip tie between the two holes to prevent the cube organizer from tipping.